Rising energy costs continue to squeeze local bakeries, forcing some to adjust prices, while others struggle to absorb expenses. Mobile journalist Fatima Banturia with the story.
As the energy crisis goes on, operational costs for local bakeries have increased. Not only do they have to run their ovens on higher electricity costs, Lita says the prices of some baking needs have also increased. This led them to sell bread at a slightly higher price.
Yung buns namin na maliit, instead na 13 pesos, naging 15. Medyo tinaas naman nila yung mga iba kasi nga mataas lahat. Pati mga harina, mga bilihin. Yun lang po. Pero okay lang naman yung mga bumibili.
Fortunately, their bakery has received financial assistance from the Manila government, which handed out 25,000 pesos to local bakeries in the city.
Ang pambili ng mga harina, asukal, star margarine.
Lita says they are also planning to bring prices back down. Meanwhile, Vic decided to shoulder the increase in operational costs for her bakery in Quezon City, at least for the time being.
Hopefully naman hindi tumagal 'to 'no. So, we just pray na tumaas ang aming benta para ma-cover up namin yung losses sa benta namin.
However, their sales are not exactly booming amid the crisis, pushing them to save on energy costs.
Medyo matumal din Parang 30% of our sales bumaba. Siguro yun nga, ang tao nagtitipid, wala ring pera, mataas lahat. As much as possible, kung puwede yung pagsalang namin sabay-sabay na, tuloy-tuloy lang para makatipid din sa LPG. Tapos maaga rin matapos yung production time namin para yung, electricity bumaba din.
Vic says they can hold out with their stable prices on bread at least until the end of the second quarter.
And then 'pag talagang hindi siya talaga bumaba, mag-a-adjust na kami ng aming prices. Basta importante merong nag-o-order, merong bibili kami ng ingredients tapos, gagawin namin, mauubos and then we replenish the ingredients, gano'n. Basta i-cycle lang na okey naman, nakaka-survive.
Kapatid Fatima Baduria, we are One News.